So I've been shooting landscapes for over 30 years, and I have a medium format camera that costs me more than my first car. And I still got the gear decision all wrong. Not the way that you're thinking, not by chasing specs or spending too much money. I got it wrong by believing the same 3 lies that cost me years of better photography. Here's what 30 years taught me. The first lie is the one I told myself when I bought the GFX 50S2. 51 megapixels, medium format sensor, more information than I've ever had in a file. And I thought, this changes everything. And in some ways it did. The tonal range, the shadow detail it holds, the quality of the light at the edges of the frame, there's nothing like it. But what I didn't count on was the math. Storage doubled, backup time doubled, calling time doubled. All that adds up to a different kind of cost. Not money, time, patience, and energy. What I noticed and what I didn't expect was that having more megapixels didn't make me more decisive. It made me less. Because when you know you can crop heavily in post, you stop working as hard to get that composition right in the field. And the resolution didn't improve my photography. My photography improved when I stopped relying on resolution to fix it. But that's not the lie that cost me the most. The one that actually hurt was about the weight. I used to be proud of what I could carry. A full kit, heavy tripod, 2 bodies, a drone, extra lenses, batteries, video camera, all of it every time just in case. For a long time, I felt like being serious, being prepared, is being a real photographer. But what I know now, and this took me a long time to learn, that the weight is costing me the shots. Not because I couldn't carry it, but because when you're managing weight, you're not fully present. You're calculating. How far is it to the next spot? Is it worth setting this shot up? Can I make it back before dark with all this on my back? So finally, I made a decision. I got up, I drove out to my favorite location, and I left the second body at home. I took the GFX with some lighter support and nothing else. And I made better photographs, not because the light was better, because I was less distracted. The weight isn't strength. For photographers over 50 who are doing this all for the love of it, the weight is just noise. There's something about arriving at a location and bringing only what you need. You stop managing the gear and you start seeing again. And that brings me to the third lie, the biggest one, and the one the gear industry is built on. The lie is this: there is a piece of gear that will finally make your photography what it should be. One more lens, one more body, one more filter system. I know this lie well because I spent 30 years believing it. And here's what I tell you honestly. There is no camera that gives you patience. There is no lens that teaches you to wait for the light. There is no piece of gear that replaces 30 years of being in the field, making mistakes, making the wrong exposure, making the wrong composition, and then understanding why. Now don't get me wrong, the GFX is a remarkable camera. But the reason that it works for me now is not the sensor size or the megapixels. It's because I finally shoot the way it was designed to be shot. Slow, deliberate, like a large format photographer who happens to be carrying something smaller. The workflow wasn't something the camera gave me. I had to earn it the hard way, by carrying too much, spending too much, and missing too many shots chasing the idea that the next upgrade would fix everything that was wrong. But the wrong wasn't the gear, it was the approach. And once I understood that, the camera stopped being something I was managing. It became something I was using. So here's what I'll tell you honestly. The medium format camera is worth it, for me, for how I shoot now, for the output I want. But I had to earn my way to it by learning to shoot slower, lighter, and more deliberately than I ever did when I thought more gear meant better photography. So listen, if you're over 50 and you're questioning whether or not your kit is holding you back, it might be, but probably not for the way that you think. The resolution isn't the problem. The weight might be the problem. And the patience. That's the one thing that actually makes a difference. If you found this video useful, I put a new video out every week, and if you're working through your own gear decisions and wondering what's actually worth keeping, drop me a comment. I like to read every one. Thanks for watching the video.